Assalamualaikum my dear friends, welcome back to my YouTube channel. How are you friends? Hope you all are fine. In this video we are going to show you a very interesting, amazing, outstanding denim handbags designs. Denim handbags are stylish and strong and they look modern, smart and easy to carry. The blue denim color gives a cool and fresh feeling, and some designs have beautiful embroidery, some have pearls and some have simple clean looks. Every design shows creativity and confidence. Denim bags are perfect for college, office, shopping, and even casual parties. They match with almost every outfit. But remember, a good bag is not only about beauty. Always choose a bag that is strong, comfortable, and useful for your daily needs. Quality is more important than only styles. Denim handbags are stylish and beautiful, and they give a cool and modern look. The beauty color of denim feels fresh and attractive. It never goes out of fashion. Some bags have a simple designs, but simple designs always look classy. And some handbags have embroidery work and add culture and beauty. Pearl and stone work makes the bag look fancy. It is perfect for parties. Big denim bags are very useful. You can carry many things easily. The small denim handbags look cute. They are light and easy to hold. Denim fabric is strong and durable. It lasts for a long time. A good handbag completes your outfit. It makes you look confident. And denim bags match with jeans and dresses. They are easy to style, and college girls love denim handbags. They look trendy and smart. Working women also prefer denim bags. They are simple and practical. A handmade shows your personality, and choose one that fits your style. Always check the stitching of the bag, and strong stitching means better quality. Look at the zip and handles carefully. They should be strong and smooth. Do not buy only for beauty. Always check comfort too. And a heavy bag can hurt your shoulder. Choose a comfortable and lightweight design. Keep your handbag clean. Clean things look more attractive, and do not overload your bag. Too much weight can damage it. And store your bag properly at home. It helps the bag stay in shape. Denim handbags are perfect for daily use. They are simple yet stylish. Light wash denim gives a soft look. Dark denim gives a bold look. Printed denim handbags look unique and they catch attention easily. Handmade denim bags shows creativity. They have a special touch. Pockets in handbags are very useful. They keep things organized. A well-designed bag saves your time. You can find things quickly. Good quality fabric is very important. It makes the bag long-lasting. Fashion changes every year, but denim always stays popular. A neat handbag shows responsibility. It reflects good habit. Choose color that suit your wardrobe. Smart choices save money. Invest in one good bag instead of many cheap ones. Quality always wins. Take care of your handbag like your favorite item. It will stay new for longer. A stylish bag boosts your confidence. Confidence makes you shine. Do not follow trends blindly. Choose what suits you. A balanced design looks elegant. Too much decoration can look heavy. Soft lining inside the bag protects your things. Details always matter. Adjustable straps give more comfort. Comfort is very important. Denim handbags are for every age. Style has no limit. A good bag is your daily partner. It stays with you everywhere. Stay stylish, stay smart, and choose wisely. Your handbag should reflect your best self. All ideas is very creative, very useful, and thanks for watching my videos. Thanks for support my channel, and do let me know which ideas you would like to see in the next video, and don't forget to press the bell icon. Please subscribe my channel, like my videos, share my videos. It's a very most beautiful and most demanding different articles, different shapes, designs, different amazing, very creative denim handbags ideas. And please subscribe my channel, like my videos, share my videos. It's a very most beautiful, demanding and highly demanding and very creative denim handbags ideas. Keep watching, keep supporting, keep promoting my channel because we need your support. Thank you so much. Take care and goodbye. Thank you.